Okay, this next video that we're going to go over are the pop-ups that you see right here. I'm going to show you how to do this. Sign up for leagues. This is the time of the year we start thinking about signing people up for leagues. And I'm going to show you how to make one of those little pop-ups right there. If I go to the back end of the website, again, you have to log in, do your thing. Go to Components, Engage Box. Okay, now we go to List. And again, this is the arrowhead one. If you look at here, here are all the ones that we have ready to go. You only want one pop-up, obviously, at a time. So there should only be one of these with a green check mark. That means it's published. If it has this red X, it means it's just sitting there ready to go, not published. So what we're going to do is we're going to map out the whole season and always have a little pop-up there. But it's important that we put them for the certain dates that we want them, and I'll show you how to do that. So if we look at the one that's up now, sign up for leagues. See how simple this is? You just, leagues begin soon, sign up today, click here. There's a link to the league page. So when they click on it, it goes there. Now we go to publishing assignments. Don't worry about this. This is what I want to point out. The start time for this pop-up is January 21st. The end date time is April 30th, 2019. Okay, so no other pop-ups. We don't want anything else popping up during that time. So the next pop-up that we have, the one that we're going to create, is going to start the day after this. And the next thing that I want to pop up for will be the Texas 6-person shootout. So how do we do that? I want you to go here, duplicate. So everything is good to go and is ready. You don't have to worry about designing it. It's just going to use the same exact design. All you need to do is change the name of this, Texas 6-person shootout. And then we'll say, sign up today for the Texas 6-person shootout. Now I highlight this. I go here. Now it's this is an important part. This is a little different than the other ones. Again, I'm going to find a Texas 6-person shootout. Here it is. Now in the past, we've taken this whole thing. All we have to do is take this last part from the website on. Now I'm going to copy that. And paste that in there. Go to advanced. No, don't worry about that. Now just hit update. Okay, so now that's all set. Now we want to go to publishing assignments. If we wanted to, we could put on here other places where this pops up. So we could actually put it on the ATC menu, which wouldn't be a bad idea, but I don't want the website to be popping things up everywhere, so I'm just going to put home. Coming down here, and again, like I said, we want it to start the day after our last pop-up, which is May 1st. Plus, it gives us plenty of time for people to see what's going on. It's going to go all the way into June. And the event is June 9th, so we'll have it stop on June 7th. Okay. So our next pop-up will start June 8th, the day after. Come down here. Everything else looks good. Hit save and close. And that's how it's done. It's all set. Good to go. And we're ready to roll.